Ever wondered about a place that's like a dream, a fairy tale coming alive? Welcome to Cappadocia, Turkey. Nestled in the heart of Anatolia, Cappadocia paints an otherworldly picture with its unique landscape. Imagine a panorama filled with whimsical rock formations, a testament to nature's artistic prowess. Each formation whispers tales from the past, adding to the region's captivating mystique. This is a place where every corner is a postcard, every view a masterpiece. Cappadocia, a place where nature and history intertwine to create a visual symphony. Imagine floating above a landscape that seems to have sprung straight from a fantasy novel. Can you feel the exhilaration? This is the magic of hot air ballooning in Cappadocia. As you ascend into the sky, the world below transforms into a breathtaking panorama of fairy chimneys and ancient rock formations. The view is enchanting, the colors of sunrise painting the sky in hues of gold and pink, or the setting sun casting long shadows across the valley. It's a spectacle that words can barely do justice to. But it's not just the view that captivates, it's the quiet. High above the ground, the world seems to stand still. The only sound you'll hear is the occasional whoosh of the balloon's burner, punctuating the serene silence. Hot air ballooning in Cappadocia is not just about the sights. It's about the feeling, the tranquility, the awe, the sense of being a part of something much larger than yourself. Riding the skies of Cappadocia, a breathtaking spectacle you'll never forget. How about stepping into a different world, a world beneath the ground? Intrigued? The subterranean cities of Cappadocia, Turkey offer just that. A journey into an ancient world hidden beneath the Earth's surface. These cities, some dating back to the 4th century, were carved into the soft volcanic rock by early Christians as refuge from invading armies. The intricate network of tunnels and rooms include everything from living quarters and kitchens to wineries, chapels, and even stables. Ingeniously designed, they had ventilation shafts and water wells, ensuring life could continue for months on end. Imagine a bustling city life taking place beneath your feet, unseen by the world above. The underground cities of Cappadocia, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Ever thought of sleeping in a cave, but with all the comforts of a luxury hotel? Doesn't that sound exciting? Welcome to the unique accommodations of Cappadocia, where you can experience the fascinating blend of rustic charm and modern luxury in cave hotels. These aren't just any hotels. They are carved out of soft volcanic rock, a testament to the region's rich history. Think about it, you're sleeping in spaces that have been inhabited for centuries, giving you a direct connection to the past. Each room is an architectural marvel, paired with modern amenities, promising a stay that's as comfortable as it is extraordinary. As you step into these caves, you're stepping into a story that's been unfolding for thousands of years. Cappadocia's cave hotels, where you can live the history, not just see it.